Hey, hello guys, Brian back with a STX update here. This is on the 4-hour chart. Let me widen this out here so you can see this better. Okay, we had the breakout of this resistance down here. I believe right now we are coming back to retest that breakout. Alright, what was super bullish on this thing? I'm going to show you this. I want to zoom out here a little bit, alright? Because this thing has a okay, we had this run up here, okay, we had this high, then we ended up with a lower low. We actually took out the low over here. We had a lower high, then a lower low, a lower high, a lower low, okay, a lower high, and we held this here, okay, which formed that double bottom breakout, okay, which formed that W formation. That's what you want to see for this formation. Is super bullish, okay, the double bottom. I don't know if I still have it. No, I don't have it down at the bottom. I apologize, but these things are very bullish. I see a lot of cryptos forming the same exact move. Alright, but anyway, I'll get back to this chart in a second. I want to show you what's going on in the market here. And if I could ask you to please hit the like and subscribe button before I forget. I've been forgetting the last couple videos. That would help me out so much. But this Pepe, I just put a video out on that. That's it's getting some bearish divergence on the 4-hour, 8-hour, and 12-hour time frame. So if you're holding that, just please be careful. Might want to take a little bit of money off the table. Cospa, that thing is awesome. Love that coin. It's had a good day here. We go to the hourly. There's STX here, floating around here somewhere. I can't spot it out because it's the top 100 cryptos. There's quite a few of them on here, obviously. But anyway, let's get back to this chart, guys, because I want to show you here. You had the breakout of this level, okay, right here. All right, so these two darkened areas are support area and resistance areas. Okay, you have areas, you don't really have exact lines. Okay, so this thing could actually pull back, you know, anywhere within this range right here and retest the breakout of this area right through here. Okay, that's where we had the breakout from. Alright, it's just coming up, making that new high, okay, and then come back and retest and making a higher low here. Alright, I'm going to show you the RSIs here, which that's what's going on here too. Alright, that's why I always say don't buy big green candles. Wait for that pullback, okay? When this thing takes off, let it go. You know, wait for the pullback. It'll eventually come back, retest the breakout, and then it should bounce from there and head back up. So on the 4-hour, we are obviously coming down on that, correcting. Alright, if we go up to the 12, we have peaked out on it, and it is coming down on both RSIs, the stochastic and the regular. Okay, if we go to the 8-hour, the 8-hour is correcting. Alright, now that daily, look at that thing is still heading up, and it's got plenty of room down here on the regular RSI. It's only at a 46 right now. Okay, that thing can head the whole way up into the 70s and 80s actually. Alright, so as far as let's look at the lower time frames before I put that on. The 4 hours coming down, and the 1 hour is corrected. Okay, so that 1 hour might give us a temporary little bounce here, but overall in bigger time frames, you're going to see a pullback down into this area somewhere, okay, before we hopefully get a bounce out of this thing. But I want to put a Fibonacci on here and see how much, see where we're at here. Let's put this on the daily. There we go. Alright, just off of this move right over here, we're going to put a fib on here. Okay, we had our lows in there. Alright, we made it up to a 618. Okay, off of this high over here. Actually, it goes up a little bit more. We can move that up a hair. There we go. We haven't even really made it to the 618 yet. Okay, 618 and 702. We definitely want to see a blast through them zones. This area right up there is just a nasty area you want to get through. Okay, right up through here. Okay, That is just an area you want to see this coin get through and blast out of here. Alright, with this double bottom forming, I totally believe we are going to get out of there. Now, if you take a fib on this overall, this overall move, you should get a retracement out of this thing at least. And who knows if we'll get it now or nobody knows what will happen in this crypto market. Even if this thing ran the whole way down, to 35 cents or something, you should always get a retracement back to the 618 or 702 every single time. All right, eventually these things come back up. So off this move up here, off this top, if you're looking just to get back to the 618 on this thing, will be up to 99 cents, and the 702 is at $1.06. All right, so if we get a nice breakout of this coin, the W formation, that double bottom started up on this end, up by the 618. So, might give you an idea where we could be headed. Of course, we're going to have to wait till it makes a move up here. And if this is doing any kind of 5-wave up in here, let me clean this up a little bit so we can see it. You get too much stuff on your chart and it just clutters it up, okay? If this would be a wave 1 in here, let's put a Fibonacci trend base extension on this thing. Take the high of the move to the retrace. Alright. Now, in my mind, that's a little bit maybe unrealistic right now, up to $1.18. I don't know. That, like I said, that daily is getting kind of high. Where's the weekly at? The weekly's on its way down. It is starting to have a little bit of a curve to it, like it could curve back up. I don't believe this breakout is over, okay, but I don't believe it is doing a 5-wave up either from the look of it. It just doesn't really line up. All right, that number one, this low here came lower than over here. All right, so putting a 1 wave on there just doesn't make much sense. When you do that, you want to see this one here lower, this end here higher for your 1, 2, your 2 pullback. Okay, if this 2 would be too low to be a 2 wave, so it's no 5 wave going here unless this ends up being a 1 wave right here. Okay, which we get the pullback down into this area as long as it's higher than this low. That could be our 1 wave up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up. So we'll just have to let it play out and see how things turn out. The technicals on here on TradingView, the 1-day technicals are neutral, the moving averages are neutral, and the oscillators are neutral. Okay, if we put the moving averages on here, let's put the 50 and 200 on here and see where we're at with them. Okay, we're right between the 50 and the 200 moving average. Okay, we have the 200 on top now. We did that crossover right back here. Okay, which we definitely want them to flip back over. You want your 50 on top of your 200. So it looks like that. A lot of times that'll happen. This will pull back, and that 50 EMA might catch that as support right here, right down around 73 cents. So, well, we'll let some price action work out. But thank you so much, guys, for watching the videos. It means the world to me. And please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Have a great night.